Hello and welcome to another tutorial brought to you by concise and this is our pre-algebra series, and in this lesson 4 we continue our discussion of whole numbers by giving more of a formal definition of what the whole numbers are. So let's get started. There's many ways in which you could write out the whole numbers to show what they are, but so that we can kind of help wrap our brain around what exactly whole numbers are, let's look at what's written here. First of all, whole numbers are the set of all the combinations of the digits. Now when we say that, we mean all the combination of the digits, but not including fractions or decimals. And don't worry about that if you're not sure what fractions and decimals are. Those will be explained in a future tutorial, but for now, the whole numbers are the set of all the combinations of the digits that are non-fractions and non-decimal. And so here, this is one way to write out the whole numbers. We start off with our digits, which are 0 through 9. Then those are our single digit numbers. Then we go down to the next line, we have our 2-digit numbers, and here we show 10 through 19, but we don't have room to write all the 2-digit numbers on one line, so we have this dot dot dot. That means we're going to continue on counting, and in this case we would continue on counting to 99 before we drop down to the next line, which are our 3-digit numbers. And we do the same thing here. We keep counting, we show up 100 through 109 and have our dot dot dot. That means we'll continue to till we get to 999. Then we go down to our 4-digit numbers, and so we could keep doing this, but basically we have our 4-digit numbers on this line. On the next line we show the 5-digit dot dot dot, the 6-digit numbers dot dot dot, the 7-digit numbers, and again we could just keep doing this for hours. So instead, here at the end we'll put this little squiggly sign, which is the sign for infinity, which means to continue to count forever. And so the whole numbers are the set of all the combinations of digits from 0 to infinity. Now, as we talked about in our last tutorial, in math notation we refer to sets using brackets. These brackets are the mathematical symbol for sets. So in set notation we can write a more simplified version of what the whole numbers are, and that would be within the brackets the decimals of 0 through 9. And then again, our dot dot dot, meaning we're going to continue to count on and on and on forever. So the whole numbers are the set of numbers that include the decimals and all numbers that you can keep counting on and on forever, including larger and larger combinations of the decimals. So that was whole numbers and more of a formal definition of what whole numbers are. Coming up next in lesson 5, we will continue to talk about whole numbers, but give ourselves more of a visual representation of what whole numbers are by looking at the number line. So thank you for visiting this tutorial brought to you by concise If you are watching this from YouTube, then please take time to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.